Welcome to an essential topic in the world of computing: input and output. Understanding these concepts is key to grasping how computers work. Whether you're sending an email, playing a game, or browsing the web, everything you do involves the flow of information through input and output. Before we dive deeper, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video for more insights from Abdul Hadi AI World. At its core, computing relies on defining the flow of information. Data comes in, is processed, and results go out. That's input and output. These concepts are fundamental because they describe the interaction between the user or environment and the computer's central processing unit, or CPU. Let's first focus on input. How does data get into the computer system? Input is simply the data or information provided to a computer by a user, or sometimes by another system. Common examples of input devices include keyboards and mice for typing and navigation, as well as microphones for sound, and scanners for images. This process of feeding data into the system is known as data entry, where raw information is converted into a form the computer can process. Next up is output. This is the stage where the computer communicates its results back to us. Output is the result produced by the computer after it has successfully processed the input data. Output devices include your screen for visual feedback, printers for hard copies, and speakers for audio information. The role of output is crucial. It transforms abstract processed data back into a usable and understandable format for the user. Input and output don't happen in isolation. They are part of a continuous loop called the input process output, or IPO cycle. The IPO cycle starts with input, the computer then processes this data, and finally it delivers the result as output. A simple example: when you type text on your keyboard, that's input. The computer processes it, and the resulting words appearing on your screen are the output. To wrap up, understanding the flow of input and output is essential for anyone using or building technology. These concepts are vital to every interaction we have with our digital devices, ensuring seamless communication and functionality. Input and output are truly the essential parts of how computers communicate, receive instructions, and present information. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video from Abdul Hadi AI World for more valuable content.